Yes, people. Yeah, man, welcome back to the channel Fire Raid. Yeah, man, up on the farm. Get some beautiful rain today. Yeah, man, so I go on. Pumpkin them look nice. Yes, some people you can see I go on. Pumpkin really look nice, you know. So you have to clean out the bush them for around the pumpkin, get a better growth. Yeah man, so let's give you a walk through the pumpkin and show you how I go on. See them people. Wow, whole heap of pumpkin, man. So leave in the comment section. Yeah, man, can see how I go on. So I'm giving an update on the pumpkin now and then, showing the beer of the pumpkin. Yeah man, so on the farm something in Jamaica. You can farm anything you feel like to farm. Yeah man. I try to go the organic way, you know. So we are walking farm after a rainy day. Look for pumpkin with people. Pumpkin them pretty. Farm life is the best. Yeah man, see the pumpkin them around there. Run off, beautiful. Yeah man, Swiss up. Whole heap of mango I drop off a tree. So thank you guys for watching the channel through Jamaican Vibes Fire Read.